So with all these different branches, how do we actually, discover new things? How do we go from an idea to a new material or a new medicine? Well, a lot of the time, it all starts with just being curious.
A whole lot of science kicks off with something called basic research. And the goal here isn't to invent a specific product or fix a particular problem. Nope, it's just learning for the sake of learning. It's driven purely by a desire to know more about the universe. And sometimes chasing that curiosity leads to some absolutely incredible and totally accidental discoveries.
And there is no better story to illustrate this than the invention of Teflon. It's fantastic. A chemist named Roy Plunkett was studying refrigerant gases, and he came across this one gas cylinder. The pressure gauge said it was empty, but the thing was still really heavy. He wasn't trying to invent anything, he was just puzzled. He wanted to know what was going on. So what does he do? He saws the thing open, and inside he finds this weird, waxy white powder that was incredibly slippery. That accident, born out of pure curiosity, was the discovery of Teflon.
So, that whole Teflon story, it's the perfect roadmap for how innovation actually works. It all starts with basic research. That's Plunkett just being curious. That chance discovery then leads to applied research, where scientists try to solve a specific problem, like, okay, this stuff is super slippery, but how do we get it to stick to a pan? And finally, that leads to technological development, which is all about creating the products that improve our lives, like the nonstick cookware we all use.
And this path, this journey from just a simple question in a lab to a product that changes your life, well, it happens constantly. It's pretty much the engine that drives the modern world.
I mean, think about how you're even watching this right now. The internet, right? It's probably coming to you through fiber optics.